Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today's video we are going to show you how to properly wash a wig. Alright, this will be the same premise as if you were to wash full lace wig or a lace wig that actually has a lace in the front, a lace front wig. Alright, but right now we're going to wash this Indian wavy hair because I just wanted to see what it looks like in its natural state, because I added some wand curls to it. But right now we are going to wash it. So I do lukewarm water, room temperature water. Alright. Now, you hold it inside, and if you have the lace, you would hold it, or by the part. So let's assume that this was a part. So if this was the part, I'm going to hold it at the part. Make sure you run the water in the direction that the hair is going in, okay? Don't do like this and all this, because you're going to mess up the part. You want to just keep the part, especially if you didn't make your wig and somebody else did, and you're not good at styling your own hair and doing all that other stuff. Don't make it complicated. Just hold it and run the water down. Since this is very thick hair, I thought this would be a good example to show to wash, especially when you have thick curly hair. So this wig is about 3 years, this hair I should say is about 3 years old. The wig probably is about 3 years old too. What I did was, I had originally had it made into a, it was a closure wig, but then the closure ripped, I think, because I was pulling on it too much. So then I ended up making it into a full bang wig. Yeah. So I might actually want to straighten this wig. I don't know. We shall see. Okay? Alright, so I washed it. Make sure it's drenched with water. It's not that drenched, so let me do it again. And basically, the water is going to drip all the way down. Alright, so you don't have to scrub. Same thing with your hair. What you want to do is put the shampoo on the top and let the shampoo go all the way at the bottom. Okay? Put it at the top especially because, and if you sweat a lot, you can shampoo underneath the wig too if you notice there's an odor. Alright? We don't want stinky wigs. So we are going to massage this all the way down. Add some water so that way the shampoo can rinse all the way down. And you do it in like a nice massage, go down from the top all the way to the bottom. Because you don't want to scrub too much. And you can do like a little this. And if you want to add some more shampoo to the bottom, go right ahead. But as you can see, the shampoo is going all the way to the bottom. So you don't have to lather so much. I would say do a nice finger comb to make sure you saturate everything. As you can see under here, I didn't get it, so I could take the bottom and just, you know, make sure that we get all inside. You want to thoroughly clean the wig. Okay? Been wearing it for like a couple weeks. Yeah, so I would say after 2 weeks, I want to wash the wig because all the oils and dirt and everything gets into the hair. Because it's real hair, so imagine you not washing your hair for like more than 2 weeks and how stringy and dirty it's going to get. Imagine you not washing your body for 2 weeks. Okay, would you go without washing your body for 2 weeks? So why are you going without washing your hair? But I understand there's some circumstances where you have a sew-in and you can't physically wash your hair, but you can wash your hair with a sew-in. You just gotta make sure it's dried thoroughly before you go to sleep or anything. I suggest washing your hair early in the morning, so that way it will be dry. And then taking a blow dryer and trying to get the roots too. Right. As you can see, so I'm just rinsing the top, and all the hair is running. Now you're gonna get a suds at the bottom. So try to maybe clean the sink out a little bit. I have a little strainer in there, so I just take it out and all the water goes down. Because you want to make sure that the bottom of the hair isn't sitting in the suds. And make sure you clean your sink. Okay, clean your sink. Alright, don't wash your hair in a dirty sink with a bunch of dishes. I know that's self-explanatory, but you just never know, somebody might. Alright? Clean your sink thoroughly, preferably with some Clorox wipes or some bleach. You know, just make sure you clean your sink, because you don't want to wash it and you have bacteria and all this type of stuff in your sink. And you should clean your sink anyway. Just saying. But that's on a whole nother topic. Alright. So it looks like, make sure you do here, the water is not suddy. That way you got everything out. Get in between. Alright. Now the good part. Now normally I would probably have oh, this is how you wring the hair out. Don't wring it and do all that extra crazy stuff. So this, what I'm going to do is put it all over the hair, because this is Indian hair, and this hair actually is a little more, is a little coarser. This is a vendor that I had tried out. I like them and all, but I didn't like how the hair, well, this wavy hair, I didn't test their straight hair out. It was just a little coarse, and it got frizzy. So this is another thing. This, I prefer to have like a natural wave, Indian wave, because if you go anything, any type of hair that's curly is going to puff up. That's just what it's going to do. I don't know why it does it, but it just does. So when you have curly hair, it's a lot of maintenance. I mean, it's a lot of maintenance. It's not just put on and go. Now, you can put on and go, but you have to wet it. Now, if you like the big hair, then that's fine. But if you want more defined curls, yeah. Oh, see, now this isn't bad. This isn't bad. I probably would put like a leave-in conditioner, which is what I'm going to do. And as you can see, I'm just getting it. Now, it's getting on the wefts, but you're going to rinse it out thoroughly. And you can leave this in for about 5 to 10 minutes. I mean, it's not a deep conditioner, so who knows? But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a mask to this. Now, one thing about it, I had to learn the hard way. I love all hairstyles, but I had to realize that some hairstyles just aren't for me. So, when it comes to curly hair, I need curly hair to be past my shoulders, almost in my back. Because it just, one, it makes me look a little older. Okay, so I put the conditioner on. Yeah, so it makes me just look a little older, so I tried, and now I'm going to go for more length. I feel more length is a little more youthful for me, you know, but I don't mind short or long hair, but I do love long hair now. I'm into long hair. The weather's cooling down, so I'm all about the long hair, because I can't do the long hair in the heat. I just can't. Like, it's touching down your back. Well, this hair feels so soft now. Let me take that back. Yes. Yes. I am with it. Come through, Indian waves. Come through. Yeah. So it's, you just, you know, I still got some suds, so I'm still going to make sure, but I don't want to wash all the conditioner off the hair. And this is actually warm water. I guess. Alright, we don't want to do it with cold, because I feel cold just, I don't know. This is my opinion. You're supposed to do it with like lukewarm water when you wash hair out with conditioner. I don't remember. Sorry, guys. But I'm using like room temperature, almost cool. Room temperature, almost cool. Alright, so I think I got everything out. And as you can see, nice and clean. And I love that it's a little bit long. So, we shall see, we shall see. Yeah, I had to use the same closure because I had to get the same texture. It's not like it was straight here, which I could have found any closure, but here are the natural curls. And also what you're going to do is, you can take a towel or you can take some paper towel and you want to wring the hair out. okay? Bring the hair. And then you wrap it. And then you kind of squeeze the excess water out, okay? Now here is the wig in this natural state. I'm going to air dry it. First I'm going to put a leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to air dry it, okay? So this is the Indian, I think this is Indian wavy, but it has like a little curl to it, so I don't really remember. This wig is, like I said, a couple years old, so I don't remember exactly what the texture is, but I really love it, and I like how the curls are popping. So I'm going to spray some leave-in so it could just add some moisture and shine and keep the health of the hair going. Alright, so thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out mercycouturewigs.com for your next glueless lace closure wig. Alright, later.